Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Crochet for Beginners. Today we are going to make these soap savers or soap covers, soap cozy, whatever you like to call them. For this one I have taken 11 foundation double crochets, and for this I have taken 18 foundation double crochets. So we are going to take 18 foundation double crochets. So for that, make chain 4 and then yarn over, insert your hook in the first chain, that is base chain, and pull through. Now yarn over and pull through only one loop. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. So this is the way to make foundation double crochets. Again yarn over. Now turn your work here like this. You will see a chain here. You are going to work in this chain. So this is the chain. If you see it from here. Yeah. So yarn over, pull through. You have 3 loops on hook. Yarn over, pull through first loop only. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. In this way you will make 18 foundation double crochets. After 18th foundation double crochet, make chain 1 and 3 double crochets in the same last foundation double crochet. One, two, and 3. Now chain 1. Now we will make 3 double crochet at the other end of same foundation double crochet here. So we have made 3 double crochets at this end, and at the other end we have made 3 double crochet, and in between there is chain 1 space. And in next 16 stitches we will make 1 double crochet each. Now we will make 3 double crochets, not in this chain but here in this chain. Now chain 1, and again we will make 3 double crochets at this end of chain 3. That is, this one was first chain and this is the third chain. Now 1 double crochet in next stitches. So we will make 1 double crochet in each of next stitches till we reach here. Then we will, now after the last double crochet, just make a slip stitch to join. Now in the next row we will not use these chain 1 spaces. we will make 1 double crochet in each of these stitches except these two chain 1 space. We are skipping this chain 1 space. Now it has started taking shape. Continue making 1 double crochet in each of these stitches of previous rows without any increase. Now in this row we will skip 1 or 2 stitches. So here what we are doing, 1 double crochet, chain 1, skip the next stitch, 1 double crochet in next stitch, again chain 1, skip this stitch and 1 double crochet in this stitch. So we have made 1 double crochet in this stitch, chain 1, now skip the next stitch and in the next stitch make a double crochet. Again chain 1, skip the next stitch, in the next stitch make a double crochet, chain 1, skip this one and in this one make a double crochet. If you wish, you can repeat the same for next 2-3 rows. So we have made 1 double crochet in the stitch of previous row, chain 1 and 1 double crochet in next stitch, not in chain 1 space. Again chain 1 and 1 double crochet in next stitch. Now for these shells, slip stitch to the next chain space and chain 1, make 5 double crochets in same chain 1 space. One single crochet in next chain 1 space, 5 double crochets next chain 1 space, again single crochet in next chain 1 space, 5 double crochet in next chain 1 space, join to the first double crochet of 5 double crochet group. In this way you can make a soap saver. You can make these chain belts like we did in mason jar cover, or you can just tie a thread around it, and if you tighten the thread it will look like this. I wanted to show you something else also. This is my new rotating yarn holder which I made by using old CD, receipt holder pin and 2 sketch pens joined together by a rubber tube. These pens are helping in rotation as well as keeping it safe to use. Just put the yarn here and start crocheting. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe.